Hi, let's discuss closure property of regular language. Regular language satisfies closure property with respect to following operator. First is unary operator. What is unary operator? The operator that can be applied on single language is called as unary operator. Which unary operator satisfy closure property? First is complement. If one language is regular, then its complement is also regular. How to find complement? Just change final state to non-final state, non-final state to final state. You will find the complement. Next is clean closure. If one language is regular, then its clean closure is also regular. How to find clean closure? Just add epsilon transition from initial state to final state and final state to initial state. This is one language and it is accepting just A. Then how will find A clean closure? Just add epsilon transition from final state to initial state and initial state to final state. You will find a clean closure. Next is positive closure. How to find positive closure? Just add a epsilon transition from final state to initial state like this. Suppose this is a finite automata for A. Then just add a epsilon transition from final state to initial state. You will find a positive closure. In clean closure, it will also accept epsilon, so that's why this transition. But in positive closure, it will not accept epsilon. From initial state to final state, no epsilon transition, just a epsilon transition from final state to initial state. But here, final to initial and initial to final. You can do like this. You can just change initial state to final state. That will accept epsilon. You can just add one epsilon transition from final state to initial state. This and this are same. Next, reverse. If one language is regular, then its reverse also regular. How to find reverse? Let's take a string AB. This is a finite automata for AB. Now, how will find BA? Just change this state to initial state and this state to final state. Initial will change to final, final will change to initial. And whatever the direction, change the direction. Change the direction of the edges. Now you will get BA. Next prefix, how to find prefix? Just change all state to final state. Suppose it is for accepting AB, then for finding prefix, just change all state to final state. If one language is regular, then its prefix also regular. If one language is regular, then its suffix also regular. How to find suffix? Just add epsilon transition from initial state to every state. Let this is some finite automata and you want to find suffix of this. What you will do? Suppose here some transition is there. You just add epsilon transition to every state. You will find the suffix. Next, binary operator, union, intersection, concatenation. I already discussed during compound automata how to find union, how to find intersection and how to find concatenation. If two languages are regular, their union, their intersection and their concatenation is also regular. Next, difference. Difference is A minus B, that you can rewrite as A intersection B complement. You know how to find complement, you know how to find intersection, so you can find difference. Next is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is A minus B union B minus A. A minus B you can rewrite as A intersection B complement and B minus A you can rewrite as B intersection A complement. You know how to find complement, how to find intersection and how to find union. So you can find symmetric difference. Next is quotient operator, homomorphism and inverse homomorphism. So I will discuss this. First, what is quotient operator? If L1, L2 two regular language, then L1 division L2 is also regular. Let x, y belongs to L1. For some y belongs to L2, then x belongs to L1 division L2. L2 should be subset of L1. So what is result? Result is y. Let's see some example. Here 1001 division 01. So what will be quotient? This 01 will be cancelled with this 01. Quotient will be 10. Let's say another example 1101 divided by 11. Just check this 11 is not same as 01. So you cannot divide. Answer will be 5. Here what? X concat y divide y, you will get result x. So that should match. Right side should be match. Then only you will get result x. Here it is not matching. Here it is 0, 1. Here it is 1, 1. It is not matching. So answer will be 5. And L2 that should be subset of L1. So 1, 1 that should be subset. And if that is subset of right side, if that is matching with right side, then only you will get result. Let's see another example. 0 clean closure 1 by 0, 1. So 0 clean closure means that is any number of 0. It can be single 0, 2 0, 3 0, any number of 0. It can be epsilon also. When 0 clean closure is epsilon 1 by 0, 1, this will be 5. Next, when it will be single 0, 0, 1 by 0, 1, it will be epsilon. When it will be 2 0, 2 0, 1 by 0, 1, now 0, 1, 0, 1 cancel, you will get single 0. Then 301 divided by 0, 1, 0, and 0, and cancel, you will get 2, 0. Let's suppose 601 by 0, 1, you will get 0 power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 0, 1, this 0, 1 will be cancelled. So what you are getting epsilon, single 0, 2 0, any number of 0. Result will be union of all this. 5, then union, epsilon, union 0, union 2 0, union 3 0, union any number of 0. That will be simply 0 clean closure. Phi concat with anything, phi concat with single 0, it will be 5. But phi union with anything, that will be that string itself. So phi will not matter here. Let's say another example. 1 0 clean closure by 1 0 1 clean closure. Let's this 0 clean closure and this 1 clean closure is epsilon. Then 1 by 1 0, that will be phi. Then 1 0 by 1 0, it will be epsilon. Then 1 0 0 by 1 0, it will be 5. Then 1 0 by 1 0 1, it will be 5. Suppose it will be 1 3 0, then 1 0 1 1. This will be also 5. It is not matching. This 1 0 1 is not matching here. You will get 5. So in one option we are getting epsilon. In rest of the option we are getting 5. So phi union epsilon. It will be epsilon. Answer will be epsilon. Let's see next example. 1 0 clean closure 1 by 0 clean closure 1. When both 0 clean closure will be epsilon, you are getting 1 1 divided by 1. This 1 will be cancelled with this, you are getting single 1. Then 1 0 1 divided by 1, this 1 will be cancelled, you are getting 1 0. Then suppose 1 3 0 1 divided by 0 1, this 0 1 0 and cancel, you will get 1 2 0. Then suppose 1 3 0 1 divided by 3 0 1, this 0 0 1, this 3 0 and cancel, you are getting 1. If you take union of all these, it is nothing 1 0 clean closure. So answer will be 1 0 clean closure. So this is quotient operator. Regular language is closed under quotient operator. If two languages are regular, then their quotient is also regular. Regular language is closed under all the unary and binary operator that can be applied on regular language. If one language is regular, then its complement, clean closure, positive closure, reverse, prefix, suffix, union, intersection, concatenation, difference, symmetric difference, quotient operator, homomorphism, inverse homomorphism, also regular. You just remember regular language is closed under all the operators. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.